Okay, so this has been here over the weekend. Pull this out. Okay, so this is a no-hub connection. It's basically a clamp on the stainless steel collar here, and you cut a piece of 2-inch pipe, and then you clamp it on with another clamp, and then this foam board is just up on here with the adhesive tape that comes with it. So this basically now goes in here. It's the thin side towards the wall. Just testing it. Make sure it goes in. It's in. Then you want to make sure that it's sticking up beyond the mud. That's good. And here I'm going to have to raise it a little bit on this side. I'll do that when I put the tin set in. And you want to make sure this is perfectly level. So as you can tell, just a hair on this side, just like that. And I'm good there. Yeah, I'm just going to key this in. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to put these outside corners on. Like this, and that to cut them a little bit. Let me get this on here. Then I'm gonna get this corner on here, and then the fabric, the sheet membrane will, imagine this is the sheet membrane, is going to come all the way over here, so everything's going to be completely sealed up. Okay, so I'm going to do the same in this corner here. Okay, so I got all the corners in, and I'm going to use the banding all around. Well, I don't need to put it on there because that's part of the drain, so I need a piece over there, a piece over there, and then I need a piece to wrap over here. So let me get this on. I'll get that piece on, and I'll get this wrapped here.
The only thing left now is the sheet membrane to cover the entire floor, the exposed mud, always overlapping the banding by 2 inches, and let it set, let it dry over the weekend, and then we can flood test it and make sure there are no leaks. Never had one leak, but you know, it doesn't hurt to flood test and be absolutely certain. So put the sheet on and it's a wrap.